Oh. Oh. So, we have purchased, where am I? I'm over here. You're over there, I'm over here. Oh, that's nice. So, obviously we like to support our fellow YouTubers and fellow social media people. So we've gone and purchased the Linus Tech Tips screwdriver. Let's see if we can catch it on a camera somewhere. So we've got a matte black box with some nice shiny black lettering, a picture of the screwdriver on it, the bits at the bottom, nice little message on the back. Let's unbox it. It's quite nice quality. It's a strong, durable box.
Yeah. Yeah, that's sweet.
Ooh, it's very orange. Ooh, that's nice. They've orange touched the image on the inside as well. You can even feel it. That's quite nice.
Oh, that's a nice detail.
Yeah. So we've got a little Linus Tech Tips card. That's nice. That's matte black. I like that. Check your bits, additional bit sets that you can buy. Need additional bits, little QR code for additional bits. The lttstore.com. Then we've got the screwdriver. Ooh.
Is it heavy?
That's heavy. That's got some weight to it.
Nice balance to it as well. Try to balance it.
Oh, that's... Oh, the ratchet end on it clicks really nicely. This is a nice touch, the grip, so you can grip it with a pair of pliers if you need to get an extra tweak on it. Unscrews it. Oh, it pops out. Well, that's nice.
Oh.
To put all your bits in, which is the bit that I'm going to open now. Move the box on one side. The box is good. It's orange black. It's a sturdy box. They haven't wasted money on the packaging, but at the same time, they haven't skimped on the packaging. The little bit envelope holder. Okay, let's have a look at the bits. What we got? We got Phillips's. We've got a magnet. That's a nice touch. Get a close up on this. That's really nice.
That's quite a strong magnet.
That is a strong magnet. So this is not a paid promotion whatsoever. We're just techies and we like techie stuff, and I wanted to see what their screwdrivers were like. For when you lose bits.
Yeah.
That's cool.
And hard to reach.
I like that. Hold on. Now we've got to see how well they fit in. Oh, that's nice. Even feels nice.
I want to break it. I want to see what's inside.
It's an expensive screwdriver. You can't break it. Well, we'll see if we can break them. We like to break stuff. Now that's weighted really, that is nice.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Let's try something. Here's one we prepared earlier. Let's see what it's like. So, you.
No, but you have to use the thing, because
Yeah, it's got a ratchet to crack it, but then once you've loosened, your ratchet will never work anyway.
oh.
Really magnetic screw. Try that. That's.
But I'm curious about this grip, because he mentioned something about it, because you see. Yeah, but we're not patient for it, so we gotta do this. But it's
Now
nice.
click it the other way and put it back in. What does it? Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, the final touch is really nice.
That's nice. The final touch is really nice.
And it stops you from screwing it too tight.
That's really nice. Try putting the screw back in. That's really nice. I like that. I'm impressed. I don't know about the orange and black, but then it's Linus's colours. You have to keep going till it tightens. It's tightened enough for the ratchet to work.
Oh, that's sick. That's it. Cool.
That's awesome. I like that. It's weighted really well. You made a good product, Linus. Yeah, it's nice. I think that might be the new favourite screwdriver in the office for doing stuff. It even sounds good as well.
Yeah. But the texture, I like the texture a lot. It's like a very good grip.
Yeah. So you can do it with your finger. You can do it fingered rather than, you know. I like that. That's really nice. Yeah, that's really good. Rate it out of 10.
I have to put it to the test, proper test. I have a few strip downs that I need to do, so
Okay.
I'm gonna use it then.
So we'll flash back because Chip will go and use it on a few strip downs and then he'll rate it. Looks, it's a nice screwdriver. I'd rate it probably a 9 out of looks just because I'm not too keen on the orange, but that's personal preference. Feel, quality, it's a 10 out of 10 for quality.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
good. That's a good quality screwdriver. Yeah, I like it. It's a nice weight. Well done. Well done. It's a product that I can see being used quite a lot in our office
I wonder if he's
for quite a long
developing.
time.
I wonder if he's developing a smaller one.
Yeah. Are you developing a smaller one, Linus? Are you doing one that's like for small screwdriver work, like inside devices? Because that would be a cool tool. If you'd like to see more reviews on hardware and tech hardware, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and you'll be caught up with everything that we're doing tech-wise and with our unboxings.